Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Goyal from Birla Public School Plani, and today I am here to tell you about chart patterns or different chart patterns. So chart patterns are the patterns of the price of the share market, price of the share, which helps us to predict the future price of the share. These are used by 10 investors for the investing. Today we are going to know about two chart patterns. The first is the inverse head and shoulder, and the second is the slider. So what is head and shoulder? Head and shoulder, the shape of the head and shoulder is like this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So the same in the case of the share market. This is in shape of the inverse head and shoulder. This part is called as left shoulder. This is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So what is the concept is that the percentage change of price from the top of the head to the bottom or to the depth of the head will be same take place after this point. That is, if the percentage change of price from this point to this point is 10 percentage, then the percentage change or the increase in the percentage after the shoulder will be 10%. Also, the time period taken by the head to reach from here to here will be taken by the point to reach from here to 10 percentage mark. That is, if the date at which the share price was here is 10 April and the date when the share price was here is 10 November, then the time taken, that is May, June, July, August, September, November, 6 to 7 months will be taken by the this point to reach to the 10 percentage mark. Now, a similar chart pattern is a cup with handle, in which this portion is not there, only this portion and this portion is there. This is like the cup we use in our homes for drinking tea and coffee. So this is a cup and this is its handle. The same concept of the percentage change in price takes place in the cup with handle chart. Now we have the example of the ICICI Prudential, where the chart forms a cup with handle, and you can see the interest, or you can see the returns after the end of the handle. That is, the price is increasing. Now the second type is the slider. Slider is a chart pattern which has a curly downfall in the starting, then a straight line parallel to x-axis in the end. The slider in the share market is just like the slider that we used to ride in the childhood when we were at 8 or 9. So if a child is at top, then the child will go down to the bottom, and then he or she again wants to go at the top. The same is in the case of the share market. So this is the pattern of the slider. So if the share is at here and it if any cause came down to this point, then it is expected that the share will move again to this point in the near future. So this is the concept. One thing that should be noted is the curve of the slider should be a curvy or the downfall should be a curvy one. It should not be a steeper one like this. This is not a slider. Now we have the example of the share, in which we have a curvy downfall in the first part, and then we have a steeper slope, steeper fall. So the first will be a slider, but the second one will not be a slider. So we should know the difference between a slider and just a fall. At the end, I would like to say that chart patterns are very important aspect to determine to predict the future price of a share, but this is not everything. We should also have to look at different aspects, different things, and don't just dive into the share market by just looking the share patterns, because by just looking the chart patterns, because there are many more things that is to be taken in mind. Thank you and have a nice day.